Hello everybody and welcome back. Well, should I say welcome back to episode 4. Today we're at the other truck and this one is going bye-bye. So come here to get some more stuff out. So this stuff I'm just gonna take home. So put that up for very last. Let's scoot this out so I can get my hand in there. It's awfully heavy. I don't even remember what's in here. A little bit of everything. And then I got that other stuff to get out. Not too much. And then I gotta work on this. Get some of this out today, but that'll probably be episode 5. Not sure yet. Not 100% sure yet, because my truck is still full. But it's coming along. This is trash. Most of that is going to be trash up there in that box. So, but yeah, that's all we got going on. Oh, copper. Yes, I'm going to strip that. Copper is copper. And the way I scrap things, you know, it's all about the weight and how clean it is. So, yep. Now, can I even lift this? That is the question. And this board has aluminum on it. So, let's see if I can lift it. Especially with my leg. It just seems like I'm getting weaker. But I had a doctor's appointment yesterday with my primary doctor, and I told her that I was getting shortness of breath ever since the ever since the stress test when they gave me that shot. And she checked my lungs. She goes, my problem is not with my lungs. So she said, I'm all clear. No wheezing, no nothing. So I don't know. I really don't know. And it is stressful not knowing what it is. But yeah, I gotta return this to a friend that actually belongs to a friend of mine. So I gotta give that back to him whenever I see him. See, piece of copper. Copper, copper, copper. I got it all over the place. This is brass and copper. So okay, is that all that's on this side? Besides this little stuff, pretty much. I'll go over onto the other side and grab that stuff. Load that up. Shut this side for now. So, how is everybody? You know, looking back on my first video of me coming back, oops. It took me a lot longer to do that, to edit that video than normal. Small piece of copper. This will be an episode right here. You know, an old Snap-on printer. I just want to, because I'm trying to get this cleaned out as fast as possible so I can get rid of it. I gotta find out what this fits, so this way I can put it up for sale. Just put this, slide this over for right now, and my door should close. I don't want to break it. Let's see what else we got in here. Lone Star 20-piece serving for Texas plates. You know, and then these are just frames that I got from a clean out a long time ago. I'm probably gonna throw most of them out. I don't think anybody's gonna buy them, but you never know. Never know. Just set this stuff in here. Oh, come on.